In 1968, the Small Faces sang, "Lazy Sunday afternoon, I've got no mind to worry." Well, it's not a lazy Sunday afternoon to me, it's a busy one. I've got a mind to worry. If I don't, there's no Monday Matters right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, today indeed is Monday Matters. Now, as usual, I'll have a quick look at what's been happening in the model making world in the news of the week. I'll be catching up with what I've been up to on my bench, and of course, I'll be introducing you to this week's featured kit of the week. All these bits come as chapters, so you can hop backwards and forwards as your heart desires. If you'd like to support the show because you've enjoyed it, the best way to do that for free is to subscribe. If you also make sure you hit the bell there, you'll be notified of all my future content as it's published. And of course, anything on my channel that you like, please do give it the old imperial thumbs up on that like button below, because every like counts. If you'd like to make a more concrete contribution to the channel, you can do that through any of my partner programs listed in the information box below. Okay, so before we start with the news of the week, a couple of things. First of all, the raffle. Now, by the time you read this, or watch this rather, the raffle will have finished. I'm recording this on a Sunday, so it hasn't quite yet. But when you watch this, the raffle will have finished. The winner will have been notified, and I'll be getting information to send the kit off. It's a kit of the Tamiya 1/72 scale de Havre Mosquito, and the box is signed by George Dunn, DFC and Legion d'Honneur. The next raffle will be launched on Monday the 2nd of September, so I'll be doing it on the first Monday Matters of each month, and it will run for about 12 days. It will finish on Saturday the 14th of September at the end of the day, but more details about that when it comes along. The other thing I wanted to mention, of course, is that next Tuesday is the third Tuesday of the month, and we all know what that means. It's live stream time. As usual, it'll be a mixture of banter and messages and Q&A and all the rest of it, but of course it's featuring the return of Nick's Conundrum. Nick, Mystery Box Nick, as you all know him, has sent a package. I don't know what's inside it. All I know is it's got a cryptic clue on the outside. If you can tell me what the kit is, what it is, what scale it is, and who made it, then Nick will send you your very own mystery box. Tune in on Tuesday to take part in that. The live stream starts at 8 p.m. British Summer Time, goes on for a couple of hours, finishes around 10. That is 1900 to 2100 Zulu, if that means anything to you. I do hope you can join me. Okay, let's crack on then and make a look at this week's news of the week. AIRFIX is re-releasing their popular 1/72 scale Spitfire PR19, last seen in the club kit earlier in the year. This time schemes are provided for an aircraft of number 81 Squadron RAF at Seletar in Singapore, with a second scheme of an aircraft of the Royal Thai Air Force. However, the bigger news is the warning from CEO Ollie Rayburn that prices across the AIRFIX range will go up on 1st of September. Existing pre-orders will be honoured, as will any in-stock or pre-orders made before that date. So if there's something you want to build, I'd get your order in now. Remember, there's also 30% off selected kits at the moment as well. Fly Model has announced a new 1/72 scale kit of the Grumman F7F Tiger Cat. There will be several variants of this to come. I'll certainly be getting at least one of these, as the Tiger Cat is a huge favourite of mine. RS Models is releasing a new 1/48 scale kit of the Buko Jungmann, a trainer as legendary as the RS Tiger Moth. Also coming soon will be the Aero C4, the Czech licence-built version of the Jungmann. Counting Rivets Models from Germany is advancing on their project of a new Boeing 727-200 in 1/144th scale. They are at test shot stage, hoping to be on sale by the end of the year. An interesting thing is this P-38 Lightning in 1/24th scale from Print Replica. This is a subscription site from which you download files to print the kit parts at home. At first sight, it looks like £20 per month with no minimum term. So for the Lightning, you download the frame, skin panels, interior details, including full engines and weapons, and the clear parts, and then send them to your own printer. Future plans include the BF-109 with a full interior, as well as the Grumman Hellcat and P-51 Mustang, all of these in 1/24th scale. ARMA Hobby has started marketing complete detail sets for the home 3D print market. Here, for example, for the 1/72nd P-51 B and C Mustang and for the KI-84 Hayati. I wonder how long it will be before other manufacturers start doing the same. TAKOM has released a new version of its 1/35th scale Sonderkraftfahrzeug 250 Reif as the command vehicle of Erwin Rommel. There is a driver and a figure of Rommel himself, as well as plenty of photo etch for all the extra baggage. The truck and wheel suspensions work as well. TAKOM also has released the Arctic research version of the M29 Weasel. This one has a full cab interior, link and length tracks, and photo etch, of course. And finally today, EDUARD BRASSIN has the 3D printed brake parachute in 1/72nd scale for the Fine Molds F4E Phantom. The chute and other parts are 3D printed. The parachute risers are photo etched. Perhaps the start of a new line by EDUARD. On my bench this week, I have done the inbox review of the ICM Leopard 2A6 main battle tank in 1/35th scale, the kit that comes with a set of Ukrainian tank crew. Now, the tank itself is a rebox of the 2012 Raffle kit, but the crew figures are brand new and by ICM. I think it's a decent looking kit. I know it's got rubber tyres, or rubber tracks, I should say, but I think it should be able to be built into something very good indeed. I also did a video about the Lidl summer offer on AIRFIX gift sets. This year it features as normal the Spitfire Mark 1A, the Sherman Firefly and the Tiger 1 starter sets, the Willis Jeep in 1/72nd, but this year also includes the de Havilland Tiger Moth in 1/72nd, something I will be looking out for myself. I've also been building some stuff, and you'll see the fruits of that probably in the next week or so. There's been a whole load of other things I've had to deal with outside of modelling, so there's not been too much progress, or as much as I would have liked, but there is some, and there will be some more videos coming your way very, very soon. All of which means there is just a little bit of time to discuss this week's featured kit of the week. And this week it is the Hawker Sea Fury in 1/32nd scale from Hobbycraft. Now, there's two reasons why I'm doing this. Well, the first reason should be reason enough, and that is because it's a 1/32nd scale Hawker Sea Fury. The other is that it's a second-hand kit, so it's good to show you what quite often second-hand kits come like, what to look out for, what to check before you're happy with it, and then see how we can put it together. That will be coming out in the next couple of days, maybe not tomorrow, but possibly by Wednesday. And as I say, there are some other videos on their way as well. Best thing to do if you don't want to miss out on any of these is to make sure you've subscribed and that you've also hit the bell, because if you do that, you'll be notified of all my future releases as they come out. And of course, anything you like on my channel, please do give it the old imperial thumbs up on that like button below, because every like counts. Thank you so very much for watching today. Hope to see you again on the channel soon. Take good care now, and goodbye.